Okay. 1 million march. Protest march for Mathias. Go. Oh no, cargo PT body. Go. We need to march to Fort's headquarters, Abuja. We need to march to government house, okay? 1 million march. Nime 1 million I am good na 6,000 down. 6,000 Mado 6,000 Mathias Gwaloria. Go. I am good na 6,000 people down. We are waiting for others. But all on a year 1 million. At least I yearly 10,000. Or I do difficult in wait a 10,000 because now I am good na 6,000 something, but I may pay get at 6,000. Go march. So all say na nime 280 something thousand followers Mathias Nwelu. Let us assume that Nande Kwetalo ni phone equal mad 100,000. Go. I see about Wokota T mad nime 6,000 ndo Gloria. Ndonye a reason to live again. We are going to march to Abuja. Let us even leave Oka for now. We are going to Abuja. Now, this is the criteria for this march. Go. We are all going to enter either Osonda Agwike, Osonda Agwike or Iju Werika transport. Go. Or Odebeluna transport to Abuja. Each day go flight. A bad flight. Go. This is the time to know. No wonder go or pokonyoro nampo. No wundi fenesike group under the umbrella of Omena Buzo Kwasinong. Go. And you are free to book a bus, either highest bus, either a coastal bus, or a busker for people who are going to go with us. Remember, we are staying 3 days in Abuja. So I need to go hotel room. Door room. Don't come to my door room to come and knock. You must start putting your money where your mouth is. This is the time to start putting your money where your mouth is. I'm only got that even neku. Oh na Mathias say up you wuno no action. This is the time to show who Mathias is, the caliber Mathias is made up of. So if you are for this 1 million march, remember, we must not get 1 million, but I believe even you say na 10,000 yado possible is because 6,000 undo megori for mazondo ya hando hazo again. So let the count begin. Remember, you are free to support this protest by either supporting us in cash or by logistics. You can. Or elu Abuja enwerozie bono ya ala anyị nwere ike ji ife doka na Nnewi building or je na Nnọkwa building or je na Ofu field na Abuja onye bi onye buru camping mat unu ebe ahụ na ala. There is no sacrifice you can make for Mathias that will be too big compared to afufo na atalo. Mathias mere onwe sacrificial lamb. So ka ndị Igbo we nwe ọganiru, so ko wedoro ndị Igbo na mma. This is the time to pay him back. Remember, people did all manner of things just to show solidarity and in protest for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In fact, ụfọdụ got to the extent of inye ndofa. Ebe onye bu egbe na-abịa, onye ji aka na-abụ, a na-arọshi onye bu egbe. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha nwụsịsịrị anwụsị today. People are doing the same for VDM today. Look at the height people are going just to protest in solidarity for VDM. So there is nothing you can do for Mathias Ezeaku that will be too big. Sleeping in a secondary school field in Abuja, sleeping in a motor park, or sleeping under the bridge, just to make sure that needs secure easy Mathias Ezeaku will not be too big for him. You can also help in cash. You can help in logistics. Let us hit the road and go to Abuja and tell them. Let us show them that na will be wenful. You want to go? This is the time for action. Ejike moment of truth. This is the time for you people. Akwama, this is the time to show us nobody you win or go for years. I blow waste. Abro say that gafusi okwu wolu video Mathias na akpala ego. Email the video, get your view, Facebook, akwụkwọ na enu afụfụ na enu road Mathias na-esi n'imi na Abuja. 1 million march for Mathias. I am out. I can pay for my transport to Abuja. I can pay for my flight to Abuja. I can pay for my hotel allocation, my hotel accommodation, and the other logistics to Abuja. I don't know about you. Onyome na abuzo kwase na onwu. Igememu ye arobuna go du ben nago omenwuru ka imiti nwo up with that responsibility. Amadioha ndị ezumezu ben nago, ndị ishie ben nago, ndị nze na ọzọ na ndị ancestors ndị nwụrụ anwụ, ndị do ready to fight the living for their sake. I don't know whether na hanwa enwere ike provide with this logistics ka just bụrụ ọnụ efu na akwụ n'elu na-etu have all this why na-etiri ha mkpu all this why for nothing. It is time for us to use that resources at our disposal to go out for one of our own. As for me, Jesus Christ enyego part of the one I will use. Mathias. Remember, I am the one who is leading this protest. Lead this protest. And Jesus Christ, na I may sympathy, humanity. This is my own part of humanity towards Mathias. And Jesus Christ, the Son of God, has given me resources and power, have prepared me for this particular task. I don't know. All unseen the mothers are present now. Are present. Christians. 90% of them are present in Okwa due to one thing or the other. Window me and abuzu Okwa se no onye nwe go ji we go tancho ji we swap we joka na mpo. Ifo ha he yira akwa ya we bayen na mmiri obu azu. Ifo ha mkpodo stu ye ju n'ọkpa ha ji we si fedo ka ime Ọnịcha we bịa kelu ofe iko rice ma we bịa kelu oloka beans ma we bịa kelu beans groundnut oil agbala agba etumeju fa n'ọkpa. This is the time to answer present. Use that resources Bunago and Inde Ezumezube na Unyeru to come and deliver one of our own. After all, man is God to man. This is the time for us to play God where Mathias is. This is the time for us to show Mathias that indeed man is God to man. So it is me, Ezugo, declaring a 1 million march in protest for Mathias Ezeaku. So Ourone Kalaka. All name mana arobuna go ben na okudo siri ike. All name mana ezumezu ben na yo na abasimbi ike. All name mana ofodu ben na yo na ekusi okwu ike n'isi. All name mana Amadioha du ben na yo do na your village or do na your community. Na Amadioha no n'ọlụ. All name mana ndị egede na ndị mbụ active ben na yo put show body, show workings. This is the time to show workings. And if they cannot help you at this point, they are of no use for you. It means that indeed Mathias have seen that the reality is even bigger and stronger than Nde Zumezo and Nda Amadioha. So, all need on for this protest. Remember what is involved here. You either pay your transport or your flight to Abuja. You will pay for your hotel accommodation and you will pay for your feeding and other logistics. Remember, a little bit of tear gas you need treatment. Police make mistake when no button nuku. You need treatment. To more money. So I want you to consider all these things critically before you answer present. There are a lot of things in Shela and Ozoni Jabuja. A lot of things in Shela Yozo. Remember, if care is not taken, after our journey to Abuja, we may declare 5 million march for 52 other people with Mathias. So I want you to put all these things into consideration. It is the time for Amadioha, Arobunago, Ndegede na Ndembo, Ezumezu, and therefore the Benaye to show us how active they are. And if they cannot help you or me at this particular time, I don't know. But remember, Jesus Christ has gotten me covered. I am covered. I am already prepared for the task. humanitarian service towards Mathias. I want to show him what it means for somebody to be Ozigbondo. So if you are identifying with us in this struggle, I want you to answer present. This is not the time for a corner. Blah, 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 blah. Too many words don't fill a basket. But one action can fill up a hall. It can fill up the sound everywhere. People will be hearing the sound of that action. So don't come here to make noise. Sheta. In fact, Abuja, I don't care. I will give a 3 days notice. The most important thing, Abuja Negu Square. We for set quarters. She is sweater blue because you were on when you put out Ayana. We may declare 52. We may declare 10 million march for 52 other persons, including Mathias, after this exercise. Share this video. Can do to your mother. You hear the light of Africa. Mazidibia. This is not the time for higridi pigridi. This is not the time for etymology and monology. This is the time for action. This is not the time for either Sokotobo you. Because Okotobo you want for set quarters equal to Batenu Uzi say or Uzi see Igbo by force. So this is the time. This is not the time for Okotobo you. This is the time for action. That action is what we want you people to come now. Let us show workings. I still remain Ezeaku. I can go feedback. Share this video.